Did you know Warcraft 3 didn't just make RTS history, it created some of the biggest games in the world. In July of 2002, Blizzard released Warcraft 3 Reign of Chaos with an insanely powerful map editor. Players could create their own units, abilities, and maps. The world editor was, in essence, a mini-game engine hiding inside of an RTS. Games such as Dota, Defense of the Ancients, started its life as a custom-made map inside of Warcraft's world editor. That simple idea evolved into Dota 2 and League of Legends, two of the biggest esport titles in existence. Another big success is in the tower defense scene. Games such as Legion TD2 started its journey inside the world editor. Warcraft 3 wasn't just a single genre, it was every genre. Its map makers became developers of fully released games. The world editor was a birthplace of creativity. Next time you play as a champion or place a tower, remember its idea might have just started in Warcraft 3.